In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage clients in Monday.com. To get started, head to your Monday.com workspace and open the board called Client Management Dashbalakant. This is the central place where your client records live, and it is designed to help you track client details and move them through different stages of your process. Once you are on the board, click on Client Management. You may see the Client Management option more than once depending on how your workspace navigation is set up. So select Client Management again to make sure you are inside the correct view for managing these records. When you are in the right place, you should be looking at a table-style board with columns that represent key information about each client. Next, click on the highlighted area in the board. This is where you will focus your attention to review and update the most important client fields. Think of this as your working area, where you can quickly confirm who owns the client, when the client was added, and what stage that client is currently in. Now click on Recruiter. This field is used to show who is responsible for the client. Keeping this accurate helps with accountability and makes it easier for your team to know who should follow up or handle the next action. Be consistent with how you assign or review this field so handoffs do not get missed. After that, click on Date Added. This is helpful for tracking how long a client has been in your system. It also gives context when you are reviewing pipelines, prioritizing outreach, or checking whether an onboarding timeline is on track. Then click on Role. This field clarifies what type of client record you are working with and can support sorting and filtering later, especially when the board starts to grow. Next, you will review the client status stages. Click on Lead to mark or confirm that a client is in the lead stage. Then click on Onboarding when the client has moved into the onboarding process. Click on Active once the client is fully underway and currently being managed as an ongoing client. Finally, click on Done when the work is completed and the client record can be considered finished. As you update these stages, aim to keep them current, because the status is often what drives day-to-day planning and visibility across the team. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.